Describe your ideal woman.
My ideal woman is smart. Parang yung may initiative ba na babae. Nakakasawa din kasi pag ganda lang yung ambag eh. Pagka walang initiative, ikaw lang din magbubuhay eh. Mauubos yung pera mo sa babaeng walang galaw. Ikaw lang laging gagastos. But then if the woman is smart, she can do a lot of things. She can live by her own, tapos nandyan ka lang to support her.
I would never fall